Double saw blade angle saw installation instructions. Place the check system. Make sure the T-shaped check in the same line. Place the double saw blade angle saw on the check system. Make sure the 4 wheels are on the check. Install the device to fasten the wood lug. Install the device to fasten the wood lug. Adjust the circular saw blade to make sure the angle between the 2 blades is 90 degrees. Left and right adjust the saw blade position. Up and down adjust the saw blade position. Please replace the hexagon socket head cap screw, which fastens the saw blades, every 15 days to make sure security. Prepare the 380 volts 50 Hz power supply. After finish the wiring according to the wiring diagram. Please note the motor rolling direction is clockwise or counter-rotate. Operating according to the touch screen after finished installation and wiring. Please inspect whether the saw blades been fastened or not, and make sure there is no barrier on the machine's way before start. Please inject gear oil to the 4 gearboxes on the machine. Please clean the sawdust of the lead screw, both horizontal and vertical, when finished working every day. Double saw blade angle saw. Please note. Please inject gear oil to the 4 gearboxes on the machine. Please clean the sawdust of the lead screw, both horizontal and vertical, when finished working every day. Please keep the 2 yellow view optoelectronic switch on the machine from the sunlight when working. When the machine is working, every time the steel plate going through the U optoelectronic switch, the indication light will flash. Please make sure the distance between the U optoelectronic switch and the steel plate are not too far. Otherwise, there will be no signal detected. The U optoelectronic switch only for counting. It transfers the data to the PLC computer. If the machine-cited dimension is not accurate, please check the U optoelectronic switch first.